Okay, let's go to the markets now, find out what's happening with the numbers at this time. We see for Nigeria, unfortunately, it's still the red color. Oh, gosh. I mean, I don't know when this is going to end, especially when you look at the factor driving this profit taking at the NGX. I don't know how soon it will end. We're still at 150,000, which is what we closed at yesterday, but I mean the color is red. Let's find out if we can get perhaps more recent numbers and the sentiments in the market at this time with Oluwatobi Adesanya. He's an equity trader with Zcrest Securities Limited. Oluwatobi, good afternoon and welcome to the program.
Good afternoon, Billy. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's heartbreaking. I was thinking by now we'll be looking at 170, 180,000, but we see the steady drop at the market. What's going on?
Okay, let me disappoint you a bit more. I mean, as when I checked last, so we are no longer in the 150.
Oh my God! I'll start crying right now.
So presently we are at about 149, 751 points, right? And the market has declined further. Currently, the DSI is down 53 basis points at the moment. So, and we can say, of course, when the market opened, it was mildly bearish, like it was down about 2%, 2 basis points. But then, around 11 a.m. So the market will pass to the positive, like 1 basis point or 2 basis points.
Oluwatobi, can you hear me?
Can you hear me? 1 basis points. I think you are.
Hello, Oluwatobi,
yes,
can you hear me?
Very well.
Oh, okay, because
I can hear you very well.
I can barely hear you.
I can hear you very well. Then if you can hear me too.
Okay, I think it's better now. Please go ahead.
Okay, good. I was saying at some point in the morning, the market was somewhat positive, like 1 or 2 basis points. Then it declined again to 21 basis points. Now it's down by about 53 basis points. And we can attribute this to banking stocks. Let's say the banking sector, right? And not quite long, we have seen the stocks like Access Corp decline by about 4.35%. So that's part of what's dragged the ASI even down further, to about 53 basis points. So the sentiment is largely negative.
Wow.
At the moment.
And news going on is that it's the fear of the increased capital gains tax that's driving profit taking.
Well, for me, I would say it's just the fear of the new capital gain tax, because if we look at performance even before then, right, we've been saying that the markets we've been seeing profit-taking activities, right? If you look at 3-4 weeks ago, the market was very bullish and everyone was happy. But it is expected that after a bullish, period, people would want to take profits, right? So, and it's now that the market is kind of bearish, people are concerned. If you look at 2-3 weeks ago, I think on a week-on-week, the market's gained about 4% in a week. So now that we are seeing the negative numbers, everybody is worried. But then we could say, so it is not only the capital gain tax, right? So we could also attribute it to some earnings reports that we have seen across different companies. And, for companies, especially in the banking sectors, right, that their performance were kind of lower compared to what we saw the same period last year. So, we have been seeing sell-offs in that sector. But then if you look at some other sectors that even have good reports, right? So we are still not seeing the market move towards, move the positive zone downwards. So that just tells you that people are positioned ahead before the Q3 results starts coming in. So for now, it will take more than Q3 earnings to kind of boost the markets again, right?
So where are we going to stop this for? When is it ending, Oluwatobi? Where can we expect that we will start going up again? How long can we endure this drop in the market?
So the good thing is that, when prices are down now, it's also an opportunity for investors to take position. We have been seeing bargain hunting activities, especially in stocks that are fundamentally sound, right? So we have been seeing activities in, consumer goods and industrial. Of course, if you look at yesterday, for example, and the good thing in this period is, a stock can be down today and people will take advantage and it will go up tomorrow. So let me just say, like, investors are being cautious, right? So for now, to the next, let me say in the short term, we'll be seeing more of bearish sentiment, although it might be mixed, but let's say more of bearish sentiment, right? And we are moving towards the last. I mean, we are in the last quarter of the year, where there is always not too much activities in the market, right? And we will also see portfolio rebalancing, right? So maybe early Q1, so we might see that positive momentum again, January effects and all of that, but it might not be that much.
All right, Oluwatobi, thank you so much. We hope we can stay in the markets until the tide changes positive. Oluwatobi Adesanya is an equity trader with Zcrest Securities Limited.
Thank you so much for having me.